Defining your target market is one of the foundations of any successful marketing strategy. It guides all decisions from product development to advertising, sales, and even customer service. But what is a target market exactly, and how do you identify and use it to drive business? A well-defined target market is essential for several reasons. Cost effectiveness. By defining a target market, you can use your resources more efficiently, as it's less costly to market to a specific, smaller group that's more likely to buy than a larger group that is less interested. Better communication. When you know your target market well, you can communicate with it more effectively. This includes using the right language, tone, and media channels that connect with them. It also involves understanding their problems, pain points, and desires, which allows you to position your offering as the best solution. Customer satisfaction. Understanding your target market enables you to tailor your products or services to meet the specific needs of your best customers. This can lead to higher customer satisfaction, as they're more likely to be happy with an offering that has been created with their needs in mind. This can also lead to increased customer loyalty, positive word of mouth, and repeat business. A target market is a distinct group of potential customers that a business aims its products or services at. It's a group of people who share similar needs or characteristics and are most likely to become paying customers. Defining your target market involves understanding who needs or wants your product or service the most and why. You define who your target market is by using factors such as demographics, psychographics, geographics, and behaviour. This process is known as segmentation or segmenting the market. The purpose of segmentation is to understand better and reach potential customers. By grouping similar consumers together, you can tailor your products, services, and marketing strategies to meet the specific needs and preferences of each segment, leading to more effective marketing, higher customer satisfaction, and a greater return on investment. When you set out to define your target market, you essentially create a composite illustration of your ideal customer to ensure you have a clear, comprehensive, and precise understanding of who you're aiming to reach. Demographics. These are the basic attributes of your target market. They include age, gender, income, occupation, education level, marital status, family size, and more. For example, a luxury watch brand might target high-income, educated males aged 30 to 50 years. These factors can significantly affect consumers' buying behaviour and product or service preferences. Psychographics. Psychographic factors dive deeper into qualitative aspects of your target market. They include values, interests, attitudes, lifestyle, personality traits, and motivations. For instance, a brand selling eco-friendly products might target those who value sustainability and live green lifestyles. Understanding psychographics allows you to connect with your audience on a more personal and emotional level. Geographic location. The location of your target market can influence their buying habits due to factors like climate, cultural norms, economic conditions, and more. A company selling winter gear will naturally target customers living in colder regions. Geographic targeting can be as broad as targeting a whole country or as narrow as targeting a specific neighbourhood. Behaviour. Behavioural factors consider how consumers interact with products or services. This can include usage rate, how often they buy or use a product, loyalty, readiness to buy, and more. For example, a software company may have different marketing strategies for new users, regular users, and super users. The goal is not necessarily to find the largest market, but find the right market. Having a large audience that is not very interested in your offering will not give you a good return on investment. Instead, focus on a smaller, well-defined audience that aligns with what you offer. This targeted approach often leads to higher engagement and conversion rates, as you're reaching those most likely to be interested and take action. The process to define your target market essentially involves determining who your potential customers are and understanding as much about them as you can. Here's a breakdown of the steps. 1. Market research. This involves gathering and analysing information about the broader market in which your brand operates. Key areas to research include the size and growth of the market, customer needs and preferences, and competition. You can use a wide variety of techniques such as surveys, interviews, focus groups, and market reports. This step should help you understand customer needs, behaviours, preferences, and market trends. You're essentially looking for information about customer demographics, lifestyle, buying habits, needs, and preferences. 2. Segmenting the market. Once you have a comprehensive understanding of the market, the next step is to divide it into distinct segments based on shared characteristics. This can be done using demographic, psychographic, geographic, and behavioural criteria. For instance, a clothing brand might segment its market into groups like young adults interested in sustainable fashion or professional women over 40. 3. Selecting a target market. After segmenting the market, the next step is to evaluate the potential of each segment and decide which ones to target. This involves considering factors like size and growth potential of the segment, the level of competition, your ability to serve the segment effectively, and the segment's alignment with your brand's goals and resources. 4. Creating personas. To further refine your understanding of your target market, it can be useful to create customer personas. These are detailed, hypothetical profiles of your ideal customers. They include demographic information, interests, lifestyle, buying behaviour, and media consumption. Creating customer personas is highly beneficial as it allows you to understand your target market on a deeper, more personal level. Personas give you a picture of who your ideal customer is, including their needs, desires, behaviours, and pain points. This level of detail enables you to tailor your offerings and marketing messages more precisely, enhancing their relevance and appeal to the target audience. Additionally, customer personas facilitate internal alignment within a company, as all departments, from product development to sales to customer service, have a clear and unified understanding of the customer they're serving. 5. Positioning your product or service. The final step is to determine how to position your product or service in a way that appeals to your target market. This involves identifying what makes your offering unique, or your unique selling proposition, how it satisfies your target market's needs, removes a pain point, and how it stands out from the competition. The goal of positioning is to differentiate your offering from your competitors and communicate its unique value or benefits, creating a distinct impression that makes it stand out in the market. For example, Tesla has positioned its electronic vehicles not just as environmentally friendly alternatives to traditional cars, but also as high-performance luxury vehicles. This positioning distinguishes Tesla from other electronic vehicle manufacturers and attracts a specific target market of affluent, environmentally conscious consumers who desire innovation and luxury. Here's an example of the process. Let's take the example of an imaginary company, EcoBottle, that plans to sell reusable, eco-friendly water bottles. 1. Market research. EcoBottle begins by researching the market for water bottles, the environmental impact of disposable water bottles, and the existing competition in the reusable bottle market. They study industry reports, consumer reviews, social media trends, and competitor products. 2. Segmenting the market. Based on their research, EcoBottle identifies several potential segments in the market, including environmentally conscious consumers, fitness enthusiasts, outdoor adventurers, and office workers. They use factors like age, income, lifestyle, and values to define these segments. 3. Selecting a target market. After considering each segment's size, growth potential, and competition within it, EcoBottle decides to target environmentally conscious consumers who are also fitness enthusiasts. They choose this segment because these consumers are likely to appreciate a reusable bottle for both its environmental benefits and its convenience for staying hydrated during workouts. 4. Creating customer personas. EcoBottle creates detailed personas for its target market. One persona might be a 30-something-year-old man who goes to the gym 4 times a week and is committed to reducing his environmental footprint. 5. Positioning the product. Finally, EcoBottle decides to position its water bottles not only as eco-friendly but also as an ideal fitness companion. They focus on features like ergonomic design for easy grip during workouts, the installation to keep the water cool, and the use of sustainable, non-toxic materials. Defining a target market is an ongoing process that might need adjustments as you learn more about your consumers and the market. As your business grows, you might also find that you have the resources to target additional market segments. Defining a target market is a critical process in developing a successful business strategy. It involves understanding your potential customers deeply and segmenting them based on shared characteristics, which allows for effective product development, marketing, and service delivery tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Creating customer personas and positioning your product or service distinctly enhances the relevance and appeal of your offering to your target audience. Whether you're a new startup or an established business, continuously refining your understanding of your target market can lead to better customer engagement and ultimately stronger brand performance.